This will be the elevator at Tilted 10 Studio, which used to be JCPenney, and before that Strawbridge's. At the Willow Grove Park Mall in Willow Grove, Pennsylvania. Another ThyssenKrupp. Here it is. Ooh. 2R. Holy cow. Fire hazard. Here at 2R. Very interesting how one side opens to the other. Elevator 24. Cab view. Pretty basic stainless steel cab. Here fixtures, mat tool, hands-free eco iPhone. This replaced a 2012 Schindler 330A and probably a Westinghouse. There goes the end. That is it.